Aloha! My name is Dana. I'm a graduate from the MIT Media Lab and an MBA from San Jose State. And with the help of an amazing community in Kona, I started the Children's Hawaii Keiki Museum. Welcome to the Hawaii Keiki Museum. Let me tell you what's been going on. This is a little bit crazy. Last week we got an email message from one of our supporters talking about a bottling factory. So there's a factory down at the Natural Energy Laboratory Hawaii Authority, NELHA, also called OTEC around here. They pull some deep sea water out of the ocean, and they have a bottling factory. There's actually a couple of factories down there that will run the water, the deep sea water, through a reverse osmosis process. These are very large filters, and then they'll take that water, bottle it into these very fancy bottling processes, and they sell the water as drinking water, and they sell it under the label of Destiny Water. So Destiny Water went out of business, and they've been dismantling the factory, pulling it all apart for the last couple of weeks. We got this email saying, hey, they're just taking piles of stainless steel and throwing it out into the parking lot and letting people scrap it. So we went down there looking for, you know, some motors and switches and buttons and things that we could salvage off of factory equipment, and we found a couple of things that we really loved. We found this conveyor belt, which is going to be brilliant to be able to put together an exhibit for Keiki to be able to sort coffee beans. It's going to be a really nice exhibit once we've cleaned it up and made it all tidy. We also found this interesting machine, which is part of the bottling process. It's got this neat conveyor and this interesting belt system that runs through it, and then all these fun motors that sit on top. So we grabbed it because we also liked the frame that it's sitting in, and we might wind up repurposing it, but we might just clean it up and show it off as a piece of bottling, water bottling apparatus for a while for kids to take a look at. Then the piece de resistance is we found these two robot arms. This is the PaleBot MX150. There actually are two of them. One of them has the claw arm, the other one has the suction cup box loader arm attachment on them, hand attachment on them. And they both weigh on the order of 2 tons plus the weight of the stand. So it could weigh as much as 4 tons, which means we weren't going to easily throw them in the back of the pickup truck and take them down to the museum. So we talked to the owner who was in the process of dismantling, scrapping, and parting out all of the materials at the factory there at Destiny Water, and they said they would save them for us. So we had the 2 robot arms and 2 brain boxes. They used the RC20 robot control system. So we took these control boxes, and she said she was going to save them for us, and we went down there again this morning to go try to load up these 2 robot arms onto the back of a flatbed trailer and then try to bring them down to the museum. And when we got there, somebody had already loaded them up onto the back of his trailer. Fortunately, RC from the Double D Ranch agreed to bring the arms to our museum.
Say hi to YouTube. Hi, this is our saver, Marlena, who just found a forklift with 4 minutes notice. Hey! Say hi to YouTube.
Hi!
Thank you for coming on no notice.
Yeah,
this is brilliant.
Definitely.
I hope you like our toys.
They look very expensive.
Yes.
That's for sure.
Thank you for coming. They each weigh about 4 tons. You think you can lift it? Because of that base. So we think it's 2 tons is the arm and 2 tons is the base. If you can't lift it, we can take them apart.
I can see what I can do. This is only a 4K forklift. So 4K. Okay. So
okay.
I'll see what I can do. It might be a little off balance.
Right.
So.
All right, go slow.
If I could just have you guys just step up.
Absolutely. How exciting is it?
So exciting. It's super exciting. I don't know what we're going to do with them, but something amazing.
Freaking exciting. Which one was the one that tipped over? The big one?
The one's on now.
Okay. Because I see a scuff on the big one, don't you?
I see the stuff on the little one up on the top. See if you can lift it. There you go.
I think he needs to get a little closer in.
Yeah.
These are good last one. I do apologize, but I wouldn't be able to lift this.
No, it's too much, too heavy. Okay.
Unfortunately, I would love to help you guys out a little bit more, but
Yeah.
I break my forklift.
No, I totally get it. Yeah, yeah, you can't.
Come
Chilling
by,
for a
right?
little bit.
Come by
Say
lunch?
hi to YouTube. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. No need lunch, no need lunch. Just try, yeah. Try.
All right, we'll be quick.
He's got him. Just
One on the back right there. You see 1 fork now, but you can 2 forks just moving up to the side. Then up to 1 fork, I think, yeah. These 2 things,
Yeah.
yeah.
One at a time.
And they are separated. Yeah.
And where are you gonna place it?
Just inside the door.
Yeah, what's the height on it? We have clearance to the door.
We'll see.
You might have to separate them anyways.
We might.
11,
11,
10,
11, 12.
10,
Wait, wait. Oh, I see. Yeah, 10 feet.
10 foot.
All right, he says they're 12. So I'll have to take them apart.
On the ground for now, at least.
Yep.
He said the big one was Kippy.
That's right, Fred.
He didn't say it fell. He said the little one fell.
Do the little one first. That's good. Do the little one first. Get used to the feel of it.
Nope. 1 fork probably. I think that's the arm. I don't know if you need something with different rules. The arm. Kind of sketchy, yeah.
I'll be right back.
Like another little one forks.
Okay.
Different forks.
All right. All good. You just get it off the truck. Just put it in the freaking street.
You might move. That arm might not be locked. Yeah. I don't know that the arm can support that weight, that joint.
Oh, well.
So now here they are sitting out back, waiting for us to figure out how to get them through the door and bring them inside.
Watch his wheel. Darren, make sure he doesn't drive off the edge of the concrete either. Keep the wheel. It's doing it. It's doing it. Careful, careful. The strap is stretching. There it goes.
Too bad.
Watch his wheel.
Hey, put it right down right there. Get the basement.
I don't like all that wiggling. I think so.
Get a fork? Yeah. He's gonna try to get a fork. Get a fork on that side of the number? You come right up to it, you like.
Perfect. Can you back up? Saying hi to YouTube?
Mahalo, aloha, shaka.